How am I gonna pay for this?
Making your first 10,000s feels almost impossible. But what nobody tells you is, I'm wisdom. After that moment, money starts behaving differently. Every great fortune begins with a single step. Consistency turns small savings into true wealth. Master your mindset, and you will master your future. The biggest enemy in the beginning is not low income. It is bad financial habits.
Two people can earn the same amount of money, but their decisions create completely different futures.
True wealth about having it all. It's about managing it well.
Wealth is created when your money gets a purpose. The first $1,000 teaches discipline. The first $10,000 proves consistency.
The start is always the hardest part. But then, compound growth takes over.
Reaching this number changes something important. You stop chasing money, and you start understanding money.
Most people quit before reaching their first big milestone. They don't fail because they lack ability. They fail because they lack patience.
Your first 10,000 is built by small decisions, repeated every single day.
Master these 3 rules to build true wealth. First, always spend less than you earn. Then, maximize your income and invest smartly. The rich and the poor often see money differently. One buys things that lose value. The other buys things that create value.
This is where compound growth changes everything. Your money starts earning money.
You don't need to become rich overnight. Wealth is created by giving your money enough time to grow.
The biggest investment you can make is not always in the market. Sometimes it is investing in yourself. Money changes when your identity changes.
A wealthy person thinks differently before they become wealthy. Remember, your first $10,000 is not just a number. It is proof that you can control your money and build your future.
Money sitting still slowly loses power. Money with a purpose, you are no longer just saving money, has the ability to grow.
Real wealth is created. Assets are things that create more value over time.
Wealth is not a lottery ticket. It is a staircase built with discipline and patience.
The biggest difference between wealthy people and everyone else is knowledge. They spend years learning how money works. The biggest investment you will ever make is changing your mindset. Every successful person you admire started with small habits nobody noticed.
The person who builds wealth is not the same person who started with zero.
Your first $10,000 is only the beginning. The real goal is becoming someone capable of building unlimited wealth.
This is infinite wealth. Learn smarter, think bigger, build your future. Subscribe and start your wealth journey today.